I got a package today from Platinum Polishes, as you can see. And Platinum Polishes, they're based out of California. They're actually a distributor for Adams Polishes. So this is all Adams Polishes stuff purchased through Platinum Polishes via Instagram. I will put their link below. The dude hooked me up with a super good deal. So this is one of two packages. I have another one coming on Saturday, I believe. So we're going to open it up. I'm going to show you guys what I got from them. Some good stuff. Got my trusty razor blade here. You got some paper, sweet deal. Woo! There's some stuff. Put it on the floor over there. I got wheel cleaner, as I am almost completely out. Buttery wax, which I have wanted to try for a while. So got some of that, along with the hex-shaped applicator that you use with it, which sweet deal on those. I got ceramic boost. I'm not ceramic waxed, or ceramic coated, I should say, but you can still put the ceramic boost on your card to give it a good shine, and I know it'll help a little bit with water repellent, so I got some of that. I got some spray nozzles, which is just awesome because I need those. And then dude looks like he hooked me up here. Sweet. Gave me his card, sticker, strawberry air freshener, and let's see, we got some waterless wash, glass cleaner, which is really what I wanted, but he threw in the glass cleaner, the waterless wash, the air freshener. He just gave those to me, being dope. And this is the big boy. This is what I really wanted to show you guys. Get this out of here. I got a foam gun. That's what I'm talking about. Let's open this up. Let's see what we got in here. Well, there's a nozzle. Pretty sweet. That's what I'm talking about. A hose. I'm assuming that attaches to some portion of this gun. Well, probably this. That's it right there. We got that, and then obviously the canister that you put the soap and the water in. So I am pretty freaking stoked about that. It's got little insert pieces depending on how much pressure you want. Sweet! So this goes like so. That'll go like so, and like so, with more like so stuff. So that's what I got today. Pretty stoked about it, and I have more stuff coming on Saturday. Like I said, today is Thursday, so I will be making a video Saturday as well. And let's go take a look at what I already have from them. All right, this is my collection thus far. I have a mystery bucket, a photobomb mystery bucket. I got a couple of microfiber towels in here, utility towel. I got the wheel wash mitt. There's also a grit guard in the bottom of there. So I got some of that stuff. Some correcting polish that I'm probably never going to use, along with finishing polish. Wash and wax. This was my first Adams Polishes that I ever got, was waterless wash, and I got this from Hollywood Hellcat, if anybody knows who that is. I got that from him. Some glass boost, that's what I'm talking about. Cars and coffee detail spray. Yeah, brother. Got some more utility towels over here. I also have a trunk organizer. I got a mystery trunk organizer when they had it, the sale going on around Christmas time. I got two of these applicators in the back. I actually like this organizer a lot. It's pretty sweet. But these are the materials I have thus far from Adams Polishes. So buckle up, folks. We're gonna go for a ride, and I'm gonna show you everything I have. As boring as this video is gonna be. Leather conditioner. stoked about that one. I actually want to clean my church shoes with it because I have leather shoes and they look like garbage. I want to use this on it. Wheel cleaner, almost gone, as you can see, which is why I got more wheel cleaner over there. Ooh. Yeah, I got some Black Friday detail spray. It smells like, I believe it's cinnamon, it smells like. The only thing I will say that I'm not a fan of about that spray is when you put it on your car, I don't know if you can see it, you can't really see it, but when you wipe it off, it turns your white microfiber towels red. Other than that, it works great. We got some Black Friday interior detail spray. Tire and rubber cleaner. Some Black Friday tire shine. Waterless wash, a gigantic one. Interior detailer. Rinseless wash, which is different than waterless wash. Got some Black Friday Ultra Foam shampoo, Ultra Foam, whatever. But this is what I'm going to be using inside of the foam gun that I got. More interior detailer. Odor neutralizer. This stuff is amazing. Eco all-purpose cleaner. More wash and wax. Put that over here. And more tire shine, but not the Black Friday stuff. Then I also got this top that I can put on the bucket so I can sit on it if I'm doing the wheels or whatever. But yeah, that's my collection thus far, plus the other things that I just got in the mail today. So just wanted to show you guys that real quick. I'm sorry if this video was longer than it should be. But thank you guys for watching. If there is something here that you think I should have that I don't, so if there's not something here that I should have, and you recommend a product from Adams Polishes, please let me know. And if anybody wants this finishing polish and correcting polish, let me know, because I would be willing to give those to someone, because I'm probably not going to use those. Just being honest. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope you're having a great day, and we'll catch you next time.